Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to write a program to create an empty dictionaries or tuples in a list. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output of our application. Python create empty dicpy, enter. Now it's prompting enter the number of dictionaries to create. Here I am adding 5 and I click enter. Notice here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The empty dictionaries are created.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Now the next step I am adding one new Python file. Create empty dictionaries.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is create empty dictionaries tuples in a list. First what I'll do is I'm adding enter the number. This variable I want to create how many objects of the dictionaries or tuples in a list to create the empty dictionaries. So here I'm adding integer input between single quotes I am adding enter the number of dictionaries to create. Then now after that I am adding display result. Let's add the result is equals to, in the list I want to create now, so I am adding the square brackets. First I want to create the dictionaries, so I am adding curly brackets for loop underscore in range, in the range enter number. That's it, the range enter number. Then print res, which is the output. Now let's check the output. In a list we will create the empty dictionaries. Save this file first, save all, go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. Python create empty dicpy, enter. Now it's prompting enter the number of dictionaries to create. Here I am adding 5 and I click enter. Notice here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The empty dictionaries are created. In the same way, we can create the tuples also. Now I will show you how to create the tuples. Come down. Instead of square brackets, curly brackets, I am adding parentheses. That's it. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the output again. Now let's check the final output to create the empty tuples. This is my command to execute the file. Number of tuples I need to add 4. Notice here we got number of empty tuples is created in the list. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to create an empty dictionaries or tuples in a list using Python in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.